What is up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. We just made it out to Jay's garage. Gonna be doing some maintenance on the truck, and you might be wondering, George, where have you been? Well, as you can see, I am limping. Last Saturday we went out to Johnson Valley and we got into an accident with the Razor, rolled it, and I've been in bed for the past couple of days just trying to recover, trying to just get over just pretty much everything that I'm feeling, you know, from a bad knee to all the soreness that's going through my body. With that being said, the truck itself also took a beating, so we're going to be addressing that today. We do have a stabilization warning that's going off, check engine light is on, and just it needs an alignment, it needs an oil change, a bunch of other stuff. Clips are missing, stuff is falling apart, so we definitely need to address all that. So who better else to fix this than Jhgarage? So let's get into it. We're gonna just show you guys exactly what we're gonna be doing, and enough said, let's go.
Body.
So bad news, it looks like I might have two bent spindles, which has happened before, and I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty expensive. So I'm gonna have to go to Longo Toyota. Hopefully they have them in stock and get them replaced, because right now my truck, it doesn't ride pretty well. I mean, it goes to the left. Not only that, but I'm rubbing. We can't even adjust the caster forward to prevent it from hitting the relocation kit that we added when we did the cab mount chop. So I don't know, we're gonna have to just continue working on it, and hopefully fingers crossed that we can avoid buying two brand new spindles. All right guys, so good news. As you can see here, the lights are all gone thanks to Chris. This guy is a genius. But unfortunately, my spindles might be still bent, so we're gonna just drive it like this for now, figure out a solution for this, and take care of it. Chris did it again. Took care of it.
Always.
Dude, it's been a while since I've been to you guys, man. I've been out of the loop.
Getting too famous.
Oh my God. I was telling him earlier that I got into that Razor accident and that I was in bed for a while, so it's good to be back. You know?
Yeah, it's good to have you back.
Do you guys want to check out Chris's new ride? Check it out. He's gonna be rolling all over town with this thing, riding in style. He has a phone, but check out this engine.
Big body sound radio. Turn it up. Let's get sneaky.
Check it out, it even has suicide doors. It's sick. Opens the wrong way. So finally done with everything, and everything is looking a lot better. All the lights are gone. The truck itself is riding a lot better as well. It's not going to the side, it's not making weird noises, and the dashboard is not completely lit like it was. But like always, I do want to thank Jhgarage for always having my back and taking care of everything that I do to this truck. I am going to be taking most of it apart for a while, just because I do want to do a lot of maintenance. I want to just take the rack off, redo a lot of the bolts, because keep in mind, after a while with the water they do rust. So I want to just make sure that everything is stainless steel, and for the most part everything is looking good. Like I said, we're going to be taking everything apart and we'll see where it goes. Now for the fun part, I know a lot of you guys are probably asking yourselves, George, did you film any of the madness when you broke a lot of the stuff? The answer is no. I do have some footage that I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now, but for the most part we just went out there, we had a blast, and unfortunately with the accident and everything, the last thing on my mind was to film. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the trip, and as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so we just made it back from Jhgarage. The truck is driving a lot better. Feel better? She was saying, hey look, the steering wheel is straight now. Not only is it straight now, but the dashboard has no more lights, and we did have to do a new alignment and just a couple other things that, oh, you guys saw the video, right? So anyways, we are now on our way to Pico Rivera, which is where my parents live. I know I've been getting a lot of questions and updates, or you guys have been asking about updates on my parents and my dad, how he's doing. He's doing a lot better. They tested negative recently, and they are still kind of being very cautious about it. You know, they don't want my niece and nephew around just yet, and even us. They don't want us very close just yet because they want to make sure they're just completely fine. So today we decided to kind of meet up with them in the backyard. We are going to be it's going to be like a 6 feet, maybe 12 feet hangout. You know, they're going to be on one side of the backyard, we'll be on the other side, and just kind of hang out with them. These guys have not seen people in a long time, and it's, I mean, just picture yourself and put yourself in their shoes. I mean, to be away from your family for that long, you know, you have grandkids, you have brothers and sisters, you know, you have sons and daughters, and you can't even hang out and give them a hug. I know it's probably hard for them, you know. I don't want to get all emotional. I mean, I'm a little, not a little lot in my throat, but it's just, we have to make an effort to visit them, and even if they're on the clear, obviously still be you know, cautious about it. So we are on our way now to Pico Rivera, and I'm excited. I called my mom and I was like, hey, this is how we can do it, we can make it work, and she's like, yeah, come down. So if you guys are waiting for updates, you guys are gonna see them. Not sure we're gonna document the whole conversations that we're gonna have, because I know we're gonna talk about a lot of things, but at least you guys will get to see them and see how they're doing. So I just want to take the time to thank you guys so much for all your prayers. I know I've been missing in action. I told you guys earlier with this whole little accident that I had. It was brutal. You can ask her. She took care of me. You know, I guess it's time to settle down. You guys might see a little Busta B George coming very soon. So if you guys have any names for a little Busta B George, you can drop them down below in the bio. You guys can drop them. This is me getting excited, guys. You guys can drop them down below in the comment section. Just, you know, I already know the homies are gonna be like, hey, you know, like,
he wants to name, if we have a boy, he wants to name him Busta.
Busta. Hey, middle name Busta. Imagine Busta Fernandez. That sounds really lame. But anyways, I think we should name a dog Busta. Like Buster?
Yeah, that'll work. Not a human.
But anyways, let's make our way down to Pico Rivera. For those of you guys that live in Pico Rivera, we're from, that's my hometown right there. You know, Pico. I do the P.
Oh.
I don't know, like this. Anyways, let's go. So we are now in the middle of Pico Rivera Central. Check Check it out. People everywhere looking at us like we're crazy because we're vlogging. But my parents like these raspados from this place called Honeybees. Those of you guys that are familiar as a Pico Rivera know that this place is bomb. So we're gonna go get some raspados and we're gonna hook up my parents. So let's go. I just wanted to just bring you guys out here while we wait for the raspados to be ready. We are right in front of the Harbor Freight. And for those of you guys that have been following the Instagram for a while know that we usually meet here every first Thursday of the month. And we do have some meets here and we pretty much just fill this place up. This whole parking lot right behind me is completely full. I'm gonna walk towards the back and show you guys another area that gets completely full. This place gets packed, huh? You're talking about 80 to 90 trucks. That's 90 Tacoma owners, sometimes even 4Runner owners, even people that have Hondas, Jeeps. Silverados, Jeeps. I mean, we all just come out here and hang out and just socialize, you know, that's what it's about. We even have the sheriffs come down and hang out with us. They have the kids playing with the lights and the sirens, and this whole parking lot is pretty much all to ourselves. So for those of you guys that haven't seen those meets on my Instagram, I usually post some. Like I said, it's every first Thursday of the month.
They're obviously on hold right now.
Yeah, they are, because of everything that's going on. But man, I can't wait to have this community come back together. Even if it's just at a parking lot, it's fun, huh? What do you bring?
Coffee.
Coffee, cookies, donuts, and we just hang out. So Pico Rivera is an awesome place to be in. I mean, it is, you know, right behind a Harbor Freight parking lot, but we all come together and have a good time. All right, what do we have here?
Raspados. I can't see them here.
Be careful, huh?
Well, your big camera is blocking my view.
You feel how it's rubbing?
Yeah.
Oh my god. By the way, guys, my spindles are done. So we had to push the caster back a little bit in order to kind of compensate, you know, so my wheels don't get all unevenly like wasted. So right now I'm hitting like crazy. I do need to find some new spindles. If you guys work at a Toyota dealer, can give me a good deal, let me know. But my mom just texted me right now. Look, this is a Hispanic mom right here. For those of you guys that have Hispanic moms, always exagerando, you know. She put, hey, vas a venir porque ya tenemos una hora sentados afuera. So I'm not lying, check it out.
Oh, she's funny.
So it's funny, I told her we were gonna go over like 30 minutes ago. No, pero you guys know how they are. It's all good though, you know.
It's okay, we're showing up with
some raspados. That's funny though, huh? Una hora sentados. Damn. We got the raspados in the hand. Let's go see what's up. Got the baby MR2. My dad's Lexo. Alright, so they said they were in the backyard, según, for like 5 hours, according to my mom. We're gonna find out whether they're back here or not. I hear yapping, I hear yapping. Me dijo mi mamá que tenían 3 horas aquí afuera.
¿Qué te digo?
Un raspado de, actually, de coco.